Portable blenders, aka personal blenders, are a perfect buy if you love to blend and drink on the go. They're also a smart choice if tend to make single-serve portions or if you have a smaller household and don't need a full-size appliance. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best portable blenders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Ninja Blast, ranked as the number 5 best portable blender, redefining convenience and functionality in blending technology. Boasting an impressive 18-ounce capacity, this sleek blender stands at the forefront of convenience and functionality. Compact in design, measuring just 9 by 3 inches, and constructed from durable plastic, it embodies portability without compromising on performance. In rigorous testing, our team found the Ninja Blast to excel in blending powders such as protein and creatine, delivering velvety, smooth shakes. Surprisingly adept at handling leafy greens like spinach, it surpasses expectations for its size. Additionally, its ability to crush ice adds versatility to its repertoire. User-friendly features enhance its appeal, with intuitive colored lights indicating readiness and easy cleaning facilitated by a self-cleaning function. Safety is prioritized with a blade cap and screw-on bottom, ideal for on-the-go use. Yet, it's not without its limitations. Challenges arise with larger fruits and seeds, and while serviceable, it falls short of full-sized blenders for certain tasks like making dips. At a competitive price of $54, the Ninja Blast emerges as a compelling choice for those seeking convenience, performance, and value in their portable blending needs. Discover the Nutribullet Portable Blender, ranked as the number 4 best portable blender. Crafted from durable plastic, it boasts a powerful 500-watt motor weighing just 1.8 pounds. Although not dishwasher safe, its sleek design makes cleaning a breeze. This blender offers more than just convenience. It elevates your hydration game. With an infuser basket, you can effortlessly create refreshing flavored water on the move, infusing herbs and fruits. Its handled flip-and-sip lid ensures spill-free transportation and consumption of your concoctions. Moreover, a single charge fuels over 15 blending cycles, making it perfect for long journeys or busy days. Its compact and lightweight build, coupled with the conveniently handled lid, ensures it seamlessly fits into your lifestyle, whether you're at the gym, office, or outdoors. And the best part? All these features come at an affordable price of just $29, making the Nutribullet Portable Blender a must-have companion for anyone on the go. Meet the Fresh Juice Portable Bottle Blender, ranking as the number 3 best portable blender on the market. Crafted from durable plastic, this blender boasts 50 watts of power while remaining lightweight at just 0.68 kilograms. Its compact design makes it the perfect companion for those on the go, fitting effortlessly into bags or backpacks. Equipped with a USB rechargeable battery, this blender offers unparalleled convenience, ensuring you can power it up wherever you are. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with an 11-ounce capacity, ideal for whipping up small batches of smoothies, baby food, or protein shakes in no time. Featuring a single-speed operation, blending and pureeing tasks are simplified for effortless use. Worried about cleanup? Fear not, as the BPA-free plastic body and blade are dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. Priced at just $53, the Fresh Juice Portable Bottle Blender offers exceptional value for those seeking convenience without compromising on performance. The Cuisinart EvolutionX emerges as a top contender in the realm of portable blenders, claiming the title of the second best in its category. Boasting a capacity of 16 ounces and compact dimensions of 3.9 by 3.5 by 11.69 inches, it's powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries, ensuring mobility and convenience. In our rigorous testing, we discovered EvolutionX's impressive ability to handle challenging ingredients, effortlessly crushing ice and frozen fruits. Beyond smoothies, its versatility shines through in crafting frappes, frozen cocktails, and flavorful salsas. Its user-friendly operation simplifies the blending process. Ingredients go into the cup, and with a push of a button, the powerful single-speed motor springs to life, delivering the desired consistency. While its battery life of up to 20 minutes accommodates multiple servings, occasional struggles with particularly dense ingredients like frozen banana halves were noted. Additionally, its inability to function while charging may require strategic planning, priced at $62. Say hello to the Nutribullet Pro 900, ranked as the #1 best portable blender, combining power and convenience for a healthier lifestyle. With sturdy stainless steel and plastic construction, this compact dynamo weighs 5.5 pounds and boasts 900 watts of blending power. Its dishwasher-safe components ensure effortless cleaning after every use. The Nutribullet Pro 900 effortlessly pulverizes dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, and kale, transforming them into smooth, nutrient-packed beverages. Its intuitive design simplifies operation. Just push, twist, and blend, delivering nutritious smoothies in under 60 seconds. Cleanup is a breeze with its detachable blades and dishwasher-safe cups, allowing for healthful nutrition without the hassle. Priced competitively at $100, the Nutribullet Pro 900 offers exceptional value, extracting maximum nutrition from every ingredient. Elevate your daily routine with this powerhouse blender, turning ordinary foods into superfoods with ease and efficiency. Experience the Nutribullet difference and power your day towards a healthier tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.